Okay, we ran out of time on that last video for completing unit ratios, so we'll be continuing that in this lecture with two more examples. So we were on example number 25 with our Ferris wheel here, and we had set up our problem 220 feet per the 20 seconds, and we need to make a unit ratio out of that. So we're going to be dividing 220 by 20, so that will go in there one time with 2 left over, and again one time. And so what we're going to get is our unit ratio here looking like 11 feet per second. So we'll just write that as 11 feet per second. And again, you're seeing just a real number with the units on that. And that's what makes it a unit ratio. All right, now the next one, we have a little bit of a more real-world problem. And this is one of the reasons that we want to look at unit rates. These come up in our world quite frequently. So you go to a store to purchase a box of crackers, and you find 2 brands that you typically buy and would be happy to purchase are on sale. One box is a little larger than the other at 24 ounces. So we have a 24-ounce box, which is the big one. So we'll write that down here. And it's on sale for $2.60. So we'll write the $2.60 here as well. And then the other box, it's a little smaller, right? It's 21 ounces, and it's on sale as well. And it's on sale for $2.30. Now, if you're not careful here, you might just go, oh wait, $2.30 is cheaper than $2.60, and so I'll just buy the $2.30 box because that's a better deal. But if we go ahead and buy that, the question is, did we make the better purchase or not? So in order to find that, we're going to have to find the unit rate. So the unit rate, the unit ratio, as your book calls it. Again, I told you before that the unit rate is what some other books call it, so I might slip up every once in a while. So the unit ratio here is the dollars per ounce. And in fact, the grocery stores often tell you what dollars per ounce are on the little tags below the grocery store or on the grocery store shelf. And so we may need to find that little bit of a amount there and compare them that way. So we're going to have $2.60 here to the 24 down there in the bottom. And then over here we have the $2.30 to the 21 in the bottom. Now on these, we definitely probably want to get out the calculator, and with our calculators, then we can find these a little bit faster. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put in the amounts, and that's 260, and I'm going to divide that by 24, and that's going to give me 0.108 3, 3, 3, and so on and so forth. Over here, 230 divided by 21, and that's going to give me 0.109523, and then it's going to go on and so forth, and so I'm going to round it to 24. So this is an approximate, and this is an approximate too. And where we usually round these is to the nearest tenth of a cent, which is right here and right here. And so this one, we would say the unit ratio on this is $0.108 per ounce. And this one is 1.10 $110 per ounce. And so it shows that this one is more expensive than this one per ounce. So this one is your better deal. And that's where unit ratios can come into play in real life.